Welcome, guys. Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. Welcome to my channel, Travel Nomad.
Hello, bro.
Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. Look at that, man. 7-Eleven. Absolutely beautiful here. Thailand Pattaya nightlife. Absolutely amazing. Look at see? Pattaya nightlife, huh? Absolutely beautiful. Too hot actually, huh? Look at the beach. Sorry guys, my voice little bit fucked up. Too much smoke, huh? Yeah, wow. Look at that. People are genuinely enjoying a night in Pattaya. Look at that. How relaxing with girlfriend, boyfriend, family. Absolutely crazy. Pattaya beach. Wallahi azimi. Wallahi khair. As you see that. How beautiful city it is. Look at it. Look, bro. Thailand, Pattaya. This city designed for nightlife. This city genuinely designed for nightlife. Daytime is okay. You can have a look my other video. Daytime also beautiful, no doubt. But genuinely this city designed for night time. Night is the design, right? You can smoke, you can drink, you can walk around, have a party. Everything comes as a night time. So yeah, that's how it is. Look at that. Shalalala in the morning. Shalalala in the evening. You understand shalalala means? Thailand shalalala morning, evening, afternoon, every time. That's no doubt. Today is a bit quiet, you see. Thailand, one of the most best thing is you smoke weed and walk around, bro. Smoke weed is illegal and you walk around is also legal, right? So combination is both. You genuinely get high drinking and smoke weed and walk around. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. What do you see, man? Now is a quiet season. Season is very quiet. It's August now. So I think September, October gonna be a busy. Right now is bit quiet, huh? It's a bit quiet time. So after 1 month or 2 months, it's gonna be busy. See. This is the beachfront hotel. Not too bad, eh? Look at that. So many restaurants, so many hotels. All hotel Thailand is a guest friendly. Yeah? You can bring your guests, no problem at all. Wallahi Azim. Wallahi. No much tourists right now. Most of tourists are Indian and Chinese. True. Thailand is kind of dead, man. Very quiet. Most of hotel no customer. Most of club is no customer. Thailand, something need to fix it. I don't know what it is. Thailand, I don't feel Thailand is like same like before, to be honest. I don't feel something missing. Look at this. It's still absolutely beautiful. No complaint. Spicy too. They have a live music. See. Singing very important song, Thai song. Thai song I don't understand. Thailand song is wow, classic song. You can see here, cocktail bar, McDonald's, Chinese food, everything is together, brother. Thailand is best thing is one place you get everything. I tell you, man, every single video. If you want convenient in your holiday or if you want to leave Thailand, absolutely amazing. Thai flag flying, Thailand beach. See? We're heading to Soi 6 area, bro. Soi 5, Soi 3, Soi 4, Soi 6, you know. Look at that. This is tourist security center. Tourist security center. Right now there is no security officer. All are sleeping. Yeah, wow. They have a temple here. Absolutely crazy, absolutely amazing. Thailand. I'm little bit fucked up, smoked too much, So hopefully guys enjoy my video. I'll show you next video more interesting thing. What do you see? Nightlife, beautiful girls, local life. So many things, man. One video you can see so many things. Stay tuned with me. Hasbi Allahu Naki. Hasbi Allahu Khair.